Essay on Problems of Karachi. Karachi, the bustling metropolis of Pakistan, faces a multitude of problems that hinder its growth and development. One of the most pressing issues is overpopulation. With a population of over 15 million, the city struggles to provide adequate housing, healthcare, and educational facilities to its residents. Another major challenge is the deteriorating law and order situation. Karachi has faced waves of violence and crime, often linked to political and ethnic tensions. This instability has negatively impacted businesses, investment, and overall quality of life for its inhabitants. The city's infrastructure is also under strain. Inadequate public transportation, traffic congestion, and poor road conditions contribute to daily commuting hardships for its citizens. Additionally, the insufficient supply of clean water and inadequate waste management systems exacerbate environmental and health problems. Unemployment and poverty are prevalent issues, leaving a significant portion of the population struggling to make ends meet. Lack of job opportunities, particularly for the unskilled workforce, perpetuates the cycle of poverty and social inequality. Moreover, Karachi is susceptible to natural disasters such as flooding and heat waves due to its geographical location. Climate change exacerbates these challenges, necessitating effective disaster preparedness and mitigation strategies. To address these problems, comprehensive and sustainable solutions are required. The government must prioritize urban planning, invest in infrastructure development, and focus on improving law and order. Encouraging private sector investments and skill development programs can help combat unemployment and poverty. Furthermore, initiatives to promote environmental conservation and climate resilience are essential to safeguard the city's future. In conclusion, Karachi faces significant challenges ranging from overpopulation and security concerns to infrastructure deficiencies and poverty. Addressing these problems demands concerted efforts from the government, businesses, and the community to create a more prosperous and livable city for all its residents.